Hey guys, this is Brandon, your trusted realtor, and I am actually at home. So today is Sunday, and I have actually taken care of most of my priorities for the week. But I did want to come to you guys with a real estate message and something for you to think about. The market is hot, and hot does not mean price, but hot also means days on the market and it means demand. If one thing that you're doing is doing a lot of opining and ruminating over whether or not the right property is for you, you don't unfortunately have that luxury in today's market. We are finding that properties are selling at least 20 to 25% above value. We are also finding that days on the market, if you've seen my most recent Instagram post, that days on the market for the month of August were 7 days. That understanding how averages work, you know that there are a lot of properties or a few properties that sold above that 7 days, but the vast majority of them sold below 7 days or within that 7 day range. So it's really something to keep in mind, because the time frame that you have to make a decision is very, very small. So this underscores the value that I've said before, which is create a relationship with a realtor, namely myself, if you're in the DC, Maryland, or Virginia area, because I'm licensed in all three, and begin to make sure you're looking at properties, having those discussions, asking questions about financing, setting up the right financial structure, making sure you understand what is expected in the home inspection process, understand the difference between a pre-approval and a pre-qualification, because all of these things will make the difference between you getting into a property successfully and at the end of the day still asking questions to understand the process, while all the properties you want to see are passing you by. Take care. Enjoy your Sunday. What a beautiful private oasis. It's really the height of these ceilings really make the home look so much larger than 940 square feet. Plus that immediate access to the exterior. Ooh, tons of light. This is west facing, so you know it already comes pouring in. This fireplace feature over the television. Really a great addition. Use of space. Oh, this is so cute. All right, so here's a tip to home sellers.
Your real estate agent should sell your home. Your home should not sell your home. And your real estate agent should take advantage of every opportunity to sell the property. What do I mean by that? You should ask your real estate agent, how do they plan on managing the communication with your property? Regardless if they use a Sentry lock, which is electronic, or they use a combination lockbox, what you want to ensure is that they are not responding to people that the fastest way to reach them is via text message. Your real estate agent should be available to receive communication and interaction through any medium. So that to me is a telltale sign when you're working with someone as a potential agent and text message is their only mode of communication. Think about it.
Hello everyone. Me and my gator will find you here in Old City 1. We will find ourselves here in the Corcoran area of the Northwest DuPont Logan community. Of course, you guys are always flipping this around. So we'll be here at the corner of 18th, Corcoran, and New Hampshire. This will be a beautifully centered unit, a rental here in DC. It's going to boast DuPont Circle to the south of the property, with access to DuPont Circle as the most immediate metro, and all the amenities that come with this area. The home is quaint. A nice galley style kitchen, which does present the opportunity for a full walk around. Tons of light. You're paying for the immediate access this community brings, the comfort and the convenience. The rooms you'll find are a decent size, more than appropriate for the living. This particular room unit will come with a bonus. Not the exposed brick there, but a den, which we'll find downstairs. A den, which we'll find downstairs. Headed downstairs, you'll have this checkerboard floor that greets you this bar. It's not for drinking. Again, could serve as an additional room. There's a full wash closet down here. Hand drying or towel drying rack. Built-ins with a full wash closet. A wash area, shall I say. Quite a nice space. Rather generous for being in the heart of the city, surrounded by condos and really communal living. It's a beautiful escape. And we find ourselves here in your own private patio. Oh, water catchment. And really, can you hear that? Yeah, nothing. Your own piece of heaven. But you gotta be mindful of that door. We did feature the fireplace there.
All right, guys, so that went much better than I expected. Quick decision. I absolutely love it. So I'm looking forward to that. And the power of that is that person brought a friend. I love when you bring your friends because it gives me an opportunity while you're looking around the property to massage them with my words. And so we were able to make a connection. I got her email information. It's a match made in heaven. I love it. It's a 2 for 2. Remember, ABC, always be closing, or always be cautious, or always be conscious. Just always be.